Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video featuring Miralba Exclusive. Yes, the box did get a little beat up on the way here, but it's okay. I already opened it and checked the contents to make sure everything was still intact. Miralba Exclusive Beauty is actually a clothing brand that started getting into the makeup trend not too long ago. She is a woman of 3 children and she is currently in college and is the CEO of Miralba Exclusive Beauty. She has worked very hard to get where she is today, and I am happy to show off these products with you all. If you would like to try any of these products, you can find them on Miralba Exclusive on Instagram, where their shop is in their bio. All you have to do is click and then scroll through their fashion trends and makeup. So please stay tuned as we go ahead and dive into the box. So inside my box today, I got a Miralba Exclusive mirror, a beauty blender that comes in a cute little coffee cup type apparatus. Here's what the blender looks like. Has their logo right here. Very cool. I also got their waterproof adhesive eyeliner and 2 liquid lips. The first one I actually already tried out and I love it. This is the Beige Beauty. Well, so here is Beige Beauty, and here is Orange Beauty. So all of this came to me recently. I came to them and wanted to try some of their products. They actually sell some lashes that I'm curious to try out. So today's lashes are going to be tested, and these are the True Love lashes by So Sadity Lashes, and you can find them on Instagram as well. We're gonna go ahead and swatch these products, starting with the liquid lips into the adhesive eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of foundation with the sponge and kind of see how it feels. So we're going to start with the Orange Beauty shade liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand, nothing crazy, and it is applying really well. It has a really kind of rust color to it, where it's kind of like it really has kind of a rust color to it, where it's a little robust, nice deep orange, a little bit of red in there. I would say that this is good for evening wear. I'm just gonna let this sit on the skin for a little bit before I go and smudge it, just to kind of give it a chance to dry down. So let's move into Beige Beauty. Again, I'm just gonna swatch it right here on my hand. Now lately, I have been getting into really dark liquid lips, especially in the winter and in the fall. As you can see, it's definitely more of a dark buff beige, more neutral toned. They are both very, very pigmented. It only took one little swatch. I am going to apply on my lips here soon so we can see how they perform on lips. I'm hoping that these are not too drying. I've heard that they are very similar to Anastasia Beverly Hills, which are very drying lipsticks. Some of them are nice, but a lot of them tend to just suck moisture out of your lips and leave them dry without proper care. Next, we have the waterproof adhesive eyeliner by Miralba Exclusive. The box is adorable. It's kind of got yellow stripes with some black print and bright yellow packaging. I just ripped the out of it. So this is the component that comes in the box. It's very pencil-like. It also has a nice slanted edge here on the top. It has a very luxurious design. It feels really nice. It's not too light, it's not too heavy. When you open it up, it has a fine felt tip, which calls for precision application. And because this is adhesive eyeliner, you want to make sure that you know exactly where you're placing it, otherwise you could get a sticky mess all over your lids. So I am curious to see how this performs with some lashes, because the lashes that I wear are typically a little bit heavier. So we'll see how this performs. And of course, we're going to go ahead and try the sponge. Before we do that though, I always recommend running these under warm water and giving them a couple of squeezes so that way you do not absorb too much makeup in your sponges and they bounce a little bit easier all over your face. Okay, now that I've soaked it, as you can see, it's almost doubled in size, which means that it's ready. I also squeezed all of the water out so that it's not too wet going on the face and you don't end up moving all of your makeup around or adding too much moisture to it. So today, just because I'm trying out a very few products, I'm going to do a really simple look, first starting with the sponge and doing a really thin layer of foundation. Then I'm gonna move into the lips and try out the Beige Beauty, and then I'm going to try the adhesive eyeliner on top of the So Sadity lashes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in and try on Beige Beauty. Okay, so I like the way this looks. I'm going to add a little gloss once this dries down. So let's go ahead and move into the adhesive eyeliner. Okay, so the liner is on. I know I look really funny right now. I have not put on any mascara. I also am not with my normal foundation routine or my blush or anything, so it's gonna look a little weird, but I really like how this applied. It did apply in a smooth line, however, it was a little tacky. But overall, it did glide on really well. The application was really precise, and now we're gonna go ahead and test out how it adheres to lashes. Again, I'm going to be using So Sadity lashes in True Love. Ooh, I can already feel them sticking. We better get to work, okay? So this is probably gonna be the fastest I've ever put on lashes before. You know, to be perfectly honest, I'm not mad. They actually stuck on really well and they don't feel like they're moving. Yeah, they're not moving. I'm really impressed with this actually. I will say that it is a little sticky still, so I'm hoping that over time it kind of wears down. I would probably set the eyeliner with a little bit of black eyeshadow and then smudge it out. That way it kind of creates a layer of powder on top of it so that you're not constantly sticking. Because I do feel a little stickiness as I open my eyes like this. But not too much. It's not offensive and it doesn't feel like it's pulling too hard. So in all honesty, I actually really like these lips. It doesn't feel like the makeup is moving around. It feels really comfortable. And then of course, I'm going to finish off with the sponge. I'm just going to apply a little bit in a test area to kind of see how it feels on my skin. And then I'm going to finish with a somewhat completed look so you know exactly what to expect when you purchase these products. Obviously, if you've been to this channel before, you know exactly which foundation I'm going to go in on. It is the Lancome Tanti Doll Ultra Wear. Okay, so overall, it doesn't look bad. I only covered this half of my face with my foundation, but I mean, a sponge is a sponge. However, this one does do its job and it does it well. It's very soft. It's actually a lot softer than a lot of the sponges I currently use. I will be picking this one up again. I also love that it has a nice little cut on it to where you can get into the tight corners of your eyes. I highly recommend using this sponge. It's very affordable. Of course, everything that you see here today, you can use code P2Davy on miralbaexclusive.com, where you can get 15% off everything that you order from them. It's very affordable. The products seem to work very well. Please leave a comment below if you've tried this brand before and you've liked them. Of course, you can always find me here on YouTube at Player2Davy, or you can always check out my Reels or Instagram posts on my Instagram at Player2Davy. It was so nice hanging out with everybody. I know that my face is only half finished, but I've really enjoyed being here with you today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.